Today we are at Six Flags Great America to get an inside scoop and behind the scenes look at the construction of their newest roller coaster, Wrath of Rakshasa. This is Rakshasa. This is my first ever hard hat tour of a roller coaster construction site and something I've always wanted to do as a child. So I'm very excited to bring you guys along for today. It's pretty special to me and we're gonna get the inside scoop on everything you need to know about Wrath of Rakshasa. Rakshasa. Why is it so hard to pronounce? On a scale of Ohio Riz to Skibbity Gyat, what would you rate Wrath of Rakshasa? Got a live news thing about to start here, it looks like. That's cool. Everyone's gathering over here. The entrance looks a little different. They've removed this little turnstile spot. And you can see the first drop right there. Wrath of Rakshasa. Actually looks pretty crazy. That 96 degrees. World's steepest dive coaster right there. Wow, this is looking sick, honestly. That first drop is crazy. Look at that thing. All right, we've got a little time here to check out the ride before we do the actual hard hat tour portion. This thing looks pretty epic, honestly. I think it's Cole from Park Pillars. Hey, we got a big piece of track right here. We can't go beyond this trailer. You have to have a hard hat to go past there. The blue is just beautiful. Absolutely obsessed with the color. Here's a nice view of the final brake run. There's where the station's gonna go. It's funny seeing the track just end in the middle of the air, honestly. So cool. Nice little viewing area of the construction site. Look at that track. Absolutely delicious. I just found something that I'm really looking forward to is this inversion right here. You're gonna be coming down off of this and then swoop up in and do a quick twist down in this helix. That's a pretty unique element right there. All right, it's time to get suited up for the hard hat tour. And then after that, we hop in this mysterious van and they take us somewhere undisclosed. Hopefully the candy in there is really good. The last van I got in, the candy was pretty mid. Here we go, suited up. Hard hat check. You ready, Cole?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's go.
Traditional piece of track. I honestly couldn't tell you which one it is or where it goes, but it still has to get set. But that's the traditional track for this ride.
You're in front.
Hey, let's go. Take it. Shout out to Monique for subscribing just now. Let's go.
Yeah. We love
You're so
support.
much fun. Oh my
gosh,
God.
thank you, love.
Yeah, of course.
Wait, you want to take a picture?
Yeah, absolutely. Here we go, you guys. We're gonna touch some of Rakshasa. Touch. They said they have 94 track pieces for the complete layout of this entire roller coaster, which is pretty cool to think about. And then they also said 60 columns. So I think that means just individual columns, but pretty cool. Makes me think about my days of building roller coasters with Connects and how many pieces that required.
And now, some fun facts about roller coaster building with Dave, the project manager for Wrath of Rakshasa, who's also really handsome. Here, Dave is explaining that in this section of the roller coaster, they actually started from the valley, which is the portion of the ride in between those two inversions, and built the track out from there. So it's not exactly like Roller Coaster Tycoon, where you build the station, and then you build the chain lift, and then you figure out the whole rest of the layout as you go. With the layouts already pre-planned, they can just kind of start wherever is easiest, and then build out the roller coaster from there. Dave also learned me that there's a specific guy whose entire job is to make sure the track is built correctly. And these people are called coaster erectors. Hee funny name, yes I know. But this is serious business, guys. This job is super niche. Dave said that there's really only about a handful of them in the entire industry. It's crazy to me how small of a world the roller coaster building business is. For planning out the ride layout, they basically started with a plot of land, figured out where the station was gonna go, and then how they could carve the layout into this section of land by weaving the pathways through it so that you can walk directly under that iconic first drop of the dive coaster, maxing out that excitement rating in Roller Coaster Tycoon. And that was Coaster Building Fun Facts with Dave. Thank you, Dave.
No problem.
Here we go.
It's time.
It's time for the secret mission. Here we go. Into the Six Flags van. Woo! I'm like imagining the Venga Bus like song from like the commercial. Is the Six Flags van in here? Are you ready, Timonique?
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm a little scared.
Yeah, I'm scared too because like we in this van.
Where are we going?
So fast.
I don't see any candy yet. You guys, check this out. We get to look at the trains. Wow. These look nice. Wrath of Rakshasa. sick. I'm so tempted to touch it, but they told us we can't touch it. We can't. Guys, check out how big these wheels are. It's larger than my head. Let's see if I can do like a comparison. The size is gonna be off because I can't touch it. I can't get too close. Thing is huge. Look at that. Jeez. Brandon's one of you guys on the tour as well. Everybody meet Parker. Hi, Parker. All right, you guys. We've got Tony Clark here, and we've got some very important questions to ask him.
Uh-oh.
Tony, are you ready?
Are these hard hitting? Because I don't know if I've been prepared to.
Yeah, they're very intense.
Okay, I'm buckled in. I'm ready to go.
Alrighty.
Seatbelt check. We're good.
Sounds good. First question.
Yes.
On a scale of Ohio Riz to Skibbity Gyat, what would you write Wrath of Rakshasa?
This is Ohio Riz for sure.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah,
All right.
it's,
I hear
yeah.
you.
No,
It's
this
fire.
is, this isn't fair to ask me these questions because we have a dive coaster. I'm jealous now because I'm jealous because now this has more inversions. It's steeper. Like no mid-course brake run. I'm jealous.
Just running right through.
Yeah.
I get that rating,
I
the
just-
Ohio Riz there.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
fair. If Wrath of Rakshasa could listen to pop music, who would be their favorite pop music artist?
Oh, does it have to be pop?
No, it could be just any music.
Yeah.
What do you feel?
You know
the
what?
vibe?
I'll keep it timely because having just listened to the album, this might be a little mayhem from Lady Gaga.
Oh, I see it.
This might be a little mayhem.
Honestly, I see
because
that.
it takes you on a journey. You think you're going somewhere, and then it goes, and
Yep.
then the different genres and different directions. You got some rock.
True, she's got a lot of mix.
You got
in
some
there.
dance.
There's a
You
little
got
hint
some
of Taylor Swift.
Yeah,
even.
there's like the EDM. There's pop.
Yeah.
There's just a lot of artistry going on. So
I like
I think that's timely. I'll go with that answer.
Yeah, I feel that
Yeah.
too. Would you rather ride Wrath of Rakshasa 100 times, or get launched into the lake on max force?
Okay. You want to know another secret that's embarrassing?
What's that?
I'll share. I've never been on max force.
What?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
That's
I haven't.
crazy.
I haven't. So
Okay.
I think the last time I was here was last summer, when we had just started our merger was complete and we started to work together with each other. And I came here for a business trip, but we didn't have any time to ride anything. It was like we walked around, we went to meetings, we talked, and I saw it go. And I heard it go because apparently it's something to hear.
It hits you in the chest. It's
But
like,
man,
boom.
I'm like, can I ride something? And I'm like, can I ride the one that I haven't been on? And they said there's no time. But I'm gonna
hope you get to ride soon.
I'm gonna guess that I would rather be launched into the lake on max force.
force,
I'm just
yeah.
guessing based on
Like-
what it looks like and what it does.
That truly sounds like otherworldly. So
Yeah. But I think being launched into the lake would be more fun.
exactly, it's like max force, but then there's a splashdown.
Yeah,
into the lake.
and on
like,
a hot summer day.
How could you not choose
No,
that?
it's perfect.
honestly?
It's
Yeah.
perfection. It's perfection.
Do you think this roller coaster, Wrath of Rakshasa, would help somebody reach enlightenment?
Yes. And you want to know why?
Why?
Because I think when you're at the top and you get into the drop section right before you go, that's the moment where you question your life's choices.
Yeah, you're facing
You know?
the fear.
Yeah,
Looking
but
right in the eyes.
but you
of
have
it.
like 2 to 3 seconds, but it feels like it's 10. And so I think you have like a lot of time to
really think
reflect
about your choices
and
yeah.
think, and your mind becomes clear. Why am I doing this? And then you do it, and you're like,
And
why
you
did
have
I
that
why did
moment
I
of
wait?
enlightenment.
Like why did I wait why did I wait so long?
Perfect.
So yeah, absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. It's
you
right.
guys-
It's at the top.
Right. If you want to manifest more peace, calm, serenity into your life, ride Wrath of Rakshasa when it opens.
Yeah, and you know what? It's smooth. It's graceful. I mean, it's gonna add to that enlightenment. So just come and ride Wrath of Rakshasa, and make sure that you think deeply once at the holding brake,
Correct.
which is not really a brake. It's more of a chain. But at the holding chain, think about your life.
Do a mental journal entry
was-
while you're up there.
That was really nerdy. I'm sorry.
That was perfect.
But it is actually a chain. If you didn't know, it's not
It
a
is.
it's not
An
a
actual
it's not a
brake.
it's not a brake. It's a chain.
He's eating Wrath of Rakshasa. Oh my god.
Tasty, tasty. Anyway, I don't
Final
know.
question.
Yes.
In a fight, who would win? Wrath of Rakshasa versus Flash Vertical Velocity.
Wrath of Rakshasa.
Yeah.
Hands down.
They got
Hands
the
down.
size for sure.
Hands down. Yeah, this thing's coming out of a crate, busting out and unleashing its wrath on everybody. in county fair. Like, come on now.
Flash just getting caught up in the wind of that,
Yeah,
basically.
yeah. I mean, Flash, you know, and Flash has been around for a little bit, so I just
He's
think
quick
that
and nimble.
Yes, but more power here.
More power. Yeah.
Way more power here.
Yeah, I feel that for sure.
Yeah, definitely the winner is right behind us.
Cool. Well, thank you, Tony, for all this very
My
important
pleasure.
information
My pleasure.
to share with my audience.
And you get the exclusives because nobody else asked me any of that.
Yeah, these are
so congratulations.
Exactly. Nobody asked these questions.
It was
We
fun.
need to know.
It's
Yeah,
fun.
thank
It's fun.
you.
I need to, for those of you out there, we need to do more of these types of interviews
Let's go.
because I like not memorizing like stats and
scripts
how many
and-
coasters are at this park now, which is 17 by the way. And you're trying to remember everything.
Right. It's
hard.
stressful,
It's
anxious.
hard. It's hard.
This
It's
is
fun
just,
though.
You can let go and have fun
Yeah.
in these interviews. So.
Yeah, this is fun.
Yay.
Thanks for
Awesome.
doing it.
Thank you, Tony. Of
Yeah.
course. Woo.